Hello dear students, so now today I have a new question from the chapter rational numbers, chapter 1st, class 8th mathematics, and the question is find a rational number between minus 3 and 1. Means between minus 3 and 1 you have to find a rational number. Rational number you might be knowing, rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. Okay, like 8 is a rational number, 2 is also a rational number because 8 you can write as 8 by 1, 2 is you can write as 2 by 1. All these are rational numbers. Okay, so you have to find a rational number between minus 3 and 1. So between these, minus 3 is also a rational number, remember this, because minus 3 can be written as minus 3 by 1, 1 can be written as 1 by 1, so both are rational numbers. So between both these rational numbers you have to find a rational number between these two numbers. So can you tell me a number which is greater than minus 3 and less than 1? The number which is greater than minus 3 and less than 1 would be the rational number between these two. Yes or not? Means you have to find out a rational number between minus 3 and 1. Means the number should be greater than minus 3 and should be less than 1 also. Okay, means the number which is between minus 3 and 1 should be greater than minus 3 but less than minus 1. So what could be the number? One method we have, we would take the mean of both the numbers. Means I would take the mean of minus 3 and 1. So I can write here in between minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So this number would be greater than this and less than this. Okay, suppose you have to find a rational number between 4 and 5. So what to do? You have to write a number which is greater than 4 and less than 5. So what to do? You would take the mean of 4 and 5. Means you would add 4 and 5, then you would divide it by 2. Are you getting this? So similarly here also I have done. Okay, so here the answer would be what? Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is how much? Minus 2. Minus and plus, always subtracted sign would be of the greater one. So greater is 3. So minus sign would be there. So 3 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 divided by 2. So answer would be 2 1 ja 2, means answer would be minus 1. Answer would be minus 1. So the answer, find a rational number between minus 3 and 1. So answer is minus 1. So this minus 1 would be the number which is between minus 3 and 1. So this is how you would find out the answer of the question. Okay, similar question, one more I'm just going to give you. Write down the next question. Find a rational number between this you do first. Write down the next question. Find a rational number between 5 and 6. 5 and 6. This you do on your own. Okay, just write it down. This is the next question which I have written on the board here. So question is, find 5 rational numbers less than 2. Means less than 2. Less than 2, you have to find out 5 rational numbers. Means you have to find out 5 rational numbers which are less than 2. Okay, so let me tell you, this 2 can be written as 10 by 5. If I am not wrong, can I write this 2 as 10 by 5? Yes, 5 2 ja 10. So if you are dividing 10 by 5, so answer would be 2. So 2 can be written as 10 by 5. It's okay. Now you have to write here 5 rational number which are less than 10 by 5. So less than 10 by 5 would be 9 by 5. Yes, first is 9 by 5. Then less than 9 by 5 would be 8 by 5. Then would be 7 by 5. Then 6 by 5. Then 5 by 5. Okay, how many numbers do we need? Find 5 rational numbers. So I think we have found 1 2 3 4 5. So these are 5 rational numbers which are less than 2, means less than 10 by 5. So answer would be what? Answer is 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. So answer is, hence, right here, hence 5 rational numbers less than 2 are. What are the rational numbers? First one is 5 by 5, then 6 by 5, then 7 by 5, then you have 8 by 5, then you have 9 by 5. This is how you would find out the answer of the question. Okay dear, just note it down. Now here we have a new question. Find 2 rational numbers between minus 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. So between these two you have to find out 2 rational numbers. how to find. So first one is minus 2 by 9, second one is 5 by 9. Now between these two you have to find out two more rational numbers, means the number should be greater than that and should be lesser than 5 by 9. So how to find out? So I have just now told you, to find out the rational number between these two, you would take out the mean of these two numbers. Okay, so how to take the first rational number? I am writing here, first rational number. So how to find out the first rational number? We have to find out two. So first time I am finding out the first rational number. So to find out the first number, I would take the mean of these two. Mean means this plus this divided by 2. So I would do minus 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Then I am going to divide it by 2. This would be the first one. How to solve this? Just look here. LCM is 9. So upside both denominators are same. So you can add upside. So it would be minus 2 plus 5 divided by 9. And then again divided by 2. This 2 would be multiplying here. This 2 would be multiplying 9 because it is dividing here. So it would multiply there 9. So I can write here 9 multiply 2. Okay. So answer would be how much? Minus 2 plus 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer would be 3 by 18. 3 by 18. You can simplify this also. If you do not want to simplify it, leave it here. Or if you want to simplify it, just leave, you can simplify it also by taking the LCM. Are you getting? You can take the LCM. 3 1 ja 3. 3 6 ja 18. So answer would be 1 by 6. So this is the first rational number between these two. So between these two, we have found the first rational number, that is 1 by 6 here. So let's say somehow here I am writing the 1 by 6. But I have to find out two rational numbers. I have found the one rational number. I need to find two rational numbers. So how would I find out the second rational number? To find out the second rational number, I would take the mean of this and this. Earlier, I have taken the mean of this and this. This is the answer. Now to find out the second rational number, I would take out the mean of this and this. So here I am writing second rational number. Okay. So second number, for finding out the second rational number, I would take out the mean of this and this. So answer would be minus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 6, going to divide it by 2. Okay. Just solve this, you would get your answer. So what would be the LCM of 9 and 6? LCM of 9 and 6 is, yes, tell me, 18? Yes, obviously it is 18. LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. I am taking the LCM of both the digits here. 18 is the LCM of 9 and 6. Now what to do? I would divide this 18 by both the denominators. First I would divide this LCM by 9. 9 2 ja 18. So here I am going to multiply by 2. Now I would divide this LCM by the second denominator, that is 6. 6 3 ja 18 3 times. So I would multiply here by 3. So answer would be minus 2 2 ja 4. Minus 4 plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 3 1 ja 3. Downside the LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. And this 2, what about this 2? This 2 would be multiplying now this here to 18. Okay. Now answer would be what? Minus plus always going to be subtracted. So minus 4 plus 3 would be minus 1. And sign is of the greater one. And downside 18 2 ja 36. So answer would be 36 minus 1 by 36. So first rational number is 1 by 6. Second would be minus 1 by 36. So here I am writing minus 1 by 36. So this is how we have found two rational numbers between minus 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. So find two rational number between minus 2 by and 5 by 9. Answer is, first is this and second is this. Are you getting this? Getting now? Okay. Now a little bit change in the question now. Just note it down. Now if you have noted, now I have a new question for you. Similar question, just changing the fraction here. Okay. Find two rational number between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. How to do? So means you have to find out two rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Means the rational number should be greater than this and less than this. So how to find out? First, for finding out the first rational number, you would take out the mean of these two. Then for finding out the second rational number, then again the answer is coming. Then again you would be taking out the mean of these two. Okay, so first rational number. So first rational number would be this plus this divided by 2, means 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Take out the LCM. 5 and 2 LCM is 10. So now divide the LCM by both the denominator. 5 2 ja 10, 2 times going na, so 2 you multiply upside here. Now by this 2 5 ja 10, this 5 you would be multiplying here. So answer would be 2 1 ja 2 plus 5 1 ja 5 divided by 10. And this 2, what about this 2? This 2 would be multiplying here to 10. So answer would be how much? 5 plus 2, 7 by 10 2 ja 20. So first rational number we have found, that is 7 by 20. Okay, now to find out the second rational number, what to do? Now you would take out the mean of this and this. Okay, for finding out the second, now here right here second rational number is equals to this plus this divided by 2. Do it on your own. Okay, just do it. Now I have a new question for you. Question is, find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now you have to find out 10 rational numbers. Okay, so if you would be doing this by the previous method, like taking out the mean of first these two, then again if you keep taking out the mean, so the process would be very lengthy. Okay, so to make this process shorter, because I need to find out here 10 rational numbers, so it is not earlier we have to only find out 2 rational numbers. Okay, so it was easy to use that one method, but that one method is not feasible here. You cannot use that one method here, because you have to find out 10 rational numbers between these two. So how to find out 10 rational numbers? So to find out the 10 rational number, I have a second method for this. Okay, so in this second method, to apply this second method, so first criteria, both the denominators should be same here. The denominator of both the rational number should be same first. So to make both the denominators same, I would be taking out the LCM of both 4 and 2. Okay, so first I would make both these denominators same. Okay, so here I'm writing 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so now here it is 4, here it is 2, but both should be same. So to make these both same, I would be taking out the LCM of 4 and 2. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. LCM is 4. Now what to do? I would divide this 4, the LCM 4, by both the denominator. First by this, then by this. So by this, 4 1 ja 4, 1 times. So this 1 multiply here also, here also. Now divide by this, 2 2 ja 4, 2 times. So multiply 2 upside, 2 downside also. So answer would be how much? Answer would be 1 1 ja 1 by 4, comma 2 1 ja 2 by 4. Now I have both the denominators, same denominators here. Okay, now I would be finding out 10 rational number between this and this. Okay, so right here, now to find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. I have to find out 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. How to find out? I have a second method for this. So just now I have told, to apply the second method, first you have to make both the denominators equal. Yes, we have made the denominators equal. Now if the denominators are same, then we would be applying the second method. The second method says that, let's say here you have to find out 10 rational number. If you have to find out 10 rational number, then you would be adding 1 there. If you have to find out 11 rational number, then again you would be adding 1 there. Okay, means the amount of rational number that you have to find, you would be adding there 1. So in here you have to find out 10 rational number, it means you would be adding 1. So it implies 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Suppose you had to find out 11 rational number, then you would have added 11 plus 1 would be 12 at that time. Are you getting this? So here means how many rational number you have to find out? You have to add there 1. So in this case you have to find out 10 rational number, so you would be adding here 1, so it means 11. So what to do now? You would be multiplying that by this 11 to both the rational numbers, as numerator as well as the denominator also. Are you getting? Now what to do? You would be multiplying by this 11 to both the fractions. Okay. Now here I am writing 1 multiply 11 by downside 4 multiply 11. Okay. Here it is writing here 2 by 11. Second fraction. I have to multiply both the fractions by 11. Here I have multiplied by 11. So here also I am going to multiply by 2 multiply 11 divided by 4 multiply 11. Hope you are getting this. Okay. Now just write down 11 manja. How much this? 11 manja 11. So this would be 11 manja 11. 11 4 ja 44. So I can write it 11 by 44. Similarly here 11 2 ja 22. So let me write here 22. And downside 11 4 ja 44. So let me write here 44. Now I have to find out 10 rational number between these two. I can write. Look here 11 by 44 greater than this is 12 by 44. Then more than 12 13 by 44. 14 by 44. Then you have 15 by 44. 16 by 44, 17 by 44, 18 by 44, 19 by 44, 20 by 44. Then you have one more there, that is 21 by 44. I think these are 10. Look here 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the answer. Okay. Hence the 10 rational number between this and this are this. Okay. So right here. Hence the 10 rational numbers between what 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are, what are the numbers? First one is 12 by 44, then 13 by 44, 14 by 44, 15 by 44, 16 by 44, 17 by 44, then you have 18 by 44, 19 by 44, 20 by 44, 21 by 44. So these are 10 rational numbers between these two given rational numbers. Are you getting this? Just note this down. Then again I am going to give you the similar questions like that. Okay, just note this down. Okay, let me erase this now. So here I am just changing the fraction. Find out 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. This is the next question. Similar question. Here again you have to find out 10 rational numbers. So would be using the second method, not the first one. Second method says that first of all the denominators should be same, but here the denominators are not same. If the denominators are not same, then you have to make the denominators same first. Okay, so minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 can be written as, how can you write this one? Look here. First, what to do? You would take out the LCM of 5 and 2. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? Is 10. Now what to do? Divide this 10 by both the denominators. 5 2 ja 10. So multiply upside by 2 and downside by 2. Similarly, here also 2 5 ja 10. 5 times. So multiply upside by 5 and downside also by 5. So this would be what? Minus 4 by 10. Here I am writing minus 4 by 10, comma 5 1 ja 5 by 10. 5 1 ja 5 by 10. Let me erase this all now. Okay. So here I have written minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 can be written as this, comma this. Okay. Now what to do? I have to find out 10 rational numbers. So if I have to find out 10 rational numbers, so I am writing here to find 10 rational numbers. So 10 plus 1 is equals to 11, means plus 1. You have to add there 1. If you are adding there 1, then what to do? You would be multiplying by this 11 to both the fraction here. Okay. So now here minus 4 multiply 11 by 10 multiply 11. Second one here I am writing 5 multiply 11 by again 10 multiply 11. So both the fractions I have multiplied by 11. So let me multiply this. 11 for the 44 would be minus 44 by 110. Minus 44 by 110, and here 11 5 the 55 by 110. So I can write it as 55 by 110. So just keep writing the numbers between these two. Okay, so 44 more than 44, what would be the number more than 44? Can you tell me? Number that is more than 44, is it 45, 46, 47? How can you write this? Just tell me. The number, you have to write the number greater than this. Minus 44 by 110 means the number should be greater than that. Okay, minus 44 by 110. If you are writing here 45, it would not be the answer. Why? Because if you are writing here minus 45, this would not be the answer, because you have to write the number greater than this. This would be lesser than this. So you have to write here plus 1 now. Okay, minus 1 I would not be writing here. So it would be plus, first one will be plus 45 by 110. Then second one 46 by 110. Second, third 47 by 110. 48 by 110. 49 by 110. 50 by 110. 51 by 110. 52 by 110. 53 by 110. 54 by 110. Okay, so we have found here 10 rational number. Look here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So hence you write here, hence 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are right here 45 by 110, then 46 by 110. Write all these numbers here. Okay, so this is how you would do the question number next. So similar question I am going to give you. Let me erase this. Question is, this question you have to do on your own, remember. Okay, question is, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. This question you would be doing on your own. With this question we would be concluding this chapter, and from the next video we would be discussing the next chapter of your mathematics. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you, have a good day.